Hi, this is Heather Castro with Legends Realty. This is 101 Grand Plaza Drive in Orange City, Unit F4. Come take a look inside. So as you enter, you are going to be in your living room, dining room combo. From the dining room, you're going to enter into your kitchen. There is an extension to the kitchen. This could be used as a bonus room, office. It is under heat and air. Florida room. This does give you entry into the back. There's a storage here. Never have too much storage. Coat closet. Water heater, AC. Utility room. Washer and dryer are included. More closet space. This is your guest bedroom. Guest bathroom. This does have a bathtub. And then your primary with your ensuite. This has a walk-in closet. This bedroom faces the front of the house. And this is your primary bathroom. Has a walk-in shower. And this is Unit F4 in Orange City. Thank you so much for viewing. Have a good one.